In the name of the Blessed Trinity, Amen. The progress of a country and community can be measured by the way its children are treated. Many societies and churches do not give any space and importance to children and blame them when things go out of control. Mobile phones and social media are innovations of adults, and yet they are also meant for children. Now that many children are addicted to mobile phones and social media, parents are complaining and blaming children. But parents give access to mobile phones so that they don't have to spend time and play with children. Love is replaced with technology. In St. Matthew chapter 18, verse 3, Jesus says, "Truly I tell you, unless you change and become like children, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven." Jesus asks us to become like children. We live in an era where parks, playgrounds, sports, and leisure are decreasing by the day. Children are brought up in concrete prisons, told to obey what teachers and parents say, and given gadgets which breed addiction. But have we allowed them to be children, to be free? Have we asked them what they want? May this Lent be a time when children can play, pray, not be judged and pressurized, and make up their mind on what they want to do. During this season of Lent, shall we spend time with children, listen to them, and be like them? Amen.